Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Today we're talking about retinol and why it's a must-have in your skincare routine. So my name is Jaycee and I'm the owner and lead laser esthetician at Body TLC in Lincoln. So what is retinol? Well, retinol is a form of vitamin A that helps to boost collagen production, improve your skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It is a powerful ingredient and it honestly can transform your skin, but it's important to know who should use it and who should avoid it. If you have sensitive skin or you are pregnant, it is best to avoid retinol. However, if you're looking to improve the overall appearance of your skin, retinol is definitely worth considering. So the benefits of retinol are numerous. Not only does it help to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, but it also helps to fade dark spots and smooth out rough patches of skin. It can help to unclog pores and also prevent acne. However, there are some things that can go wrong if you don't use retinol correctly. So as helpful as it can be to unclog pores, retinol is often part of the cause of open, enlarged pores. Why? Because retinol leaves behind a coating in the pores that prevents clogging. But that very coating can also become a barrier to the pores closing up and looking smaller and shrinking. Overuse can also lead to dryness, as retinol is known to be an irritant, and that can lead also to peeling skin. So you've got to use it in moderation. That's why it's important to start with a lower strength and gradually work your way up the rank. So what strength should you use? Well, that depends on your skin type and your concerns. But if you're new to retinol, start with a lower strength, like a 0.25 or a 0.5. And if you have more advanced concerns, like deeper wrinkles or hyperpigmentation, you may want to consider a higher strength, like 1% or 2%. Those strengths do range much higher for professional use. As for age, there's no set age to start using retinol. However, if you're in your mid-20s or older and are starting to notice those first signs of aging, retinol is definitely worth considering. But wait, there is more, because retinol isn't just good for your skin. It can also help to improve the appearance of stretch marks and promote hair growth. I bet you didn't know that. So when it comes to choosing a brand, it is important to do your research and choose a reputable brand with high quality ingredients. Some popular brands include The Ordinary, Paula's Choice and Skin Cuticles. And we do of course stock retinol at our clinic at Body TLC in Lincoln. And we offer free one-to-one skincare advice should you be local and interested in finding out the best ingredients that you need for your specific skin. We also stock retinoid. Now this is a synthetically manufactured version of retinol and it's made to irritate less. Hence it's opening this market for those with sensitive skin, but it is still advised to start low and test and adjust for your suitability. So overall, retinol is a game changer when it comes to skincare. Just remember to start slow, be patient with your results and your skin will thank you. Don't overdo it, and if you start to see if you start to see that your pores aren't closing and you're having quite an open pore, large pore experience, then cut back on the retinol. Quick little tip for those people that do suffer with enlarged pores and are using retinol: cut the retinol out and start using a glycolic toner, and that will help remove that residue left by the retinol and close the pores up. Hopefully you found this a little bit useful, and until next week, take care. Bye bye.